Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. And in today's video, we'll talk about how to create an affiliate account with Amazon. Before we start, let's talk a bit about Amazon. Anyways, for to talk about Amazon, we all know very well. They are one of the big shopping website out there. Through the website, you can go to amazon.com or .in or whatever your regional website for Amazon is, and you can make purchase of the products that you see over there. So they have high number of products available that you can buy for your need. Now the question is, what if you want to promote those products? Can you do that? Yes, definitely. And in return, you get commission out of it if anyone makes a purchase through your efforts. But the question is how to even start with it. To start with it, here comes the affiliate program of Amazon. Now, unlike other brands and companies, Amazon have their own affiliate network. So they're not connected with affiliate marketing networks out there. They kind of have their own platform, and they call it Amazon Associates. So to join the affiliate program of Amazon, you can create an account with Amazon Associates platform. It's their platform only, and which will allow you to promote their products. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and create an account with Amazon Associates to promote the products of Amazon. To do that, you can Google search, you can open Google Chrome or any browser, doesn't matter, and then search for Amazon affiliate program in Google search or any search engine, doesn't matter. And the link that you have to look for is something affiliate program.amazon.in. Since I'm trying to access it from India, that's why I'm seeing it .in, but according to your region, you will see it differently. So you can click on this link, the very first link. It should take you to Amazon Associates page. Now in here, they talk about their affiliate program. You can read through it, understand it, how they're doing it. There are some FAQs as well that you can read through. But the question is how to do sign up for it or how to become their affiliates. To do that, you can click on sign up. In here, they will ask you to log in. So these credentials are the same that you have for your Amazon account. Mostly all of us do have Amazon account ourselves. The shopping accounts, it's one and the same. You could use your own credential here. You should use your own credential here for Amazon. But what if, let's say, you don't have an account with Amazon yet? So you also have an option to create an account by clicking on this link, create your Amazon account. So if I click here, it will ask for name, email, password, and I have to retype it. So for just for the educational purpose, I'm going to put in the dummy information, but I will not recommend you to do that. Whatever information you're filling in, first email address and the phone number, you should have access to it because you will get codes and everything in there. Second, even your information should be accurate because you're talking about an affiliate program of yours at Amazon. So it should be accurate information. Right, so let me fill up the rest of the information, the password, and I click on create your Amazon account. This should send me an email. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, well, it asked me to solve the puzzle first. There's nothing wrong in playing a small game. Right, solve puzzle first. Pick a giraffe. All right, I picked it. Okay, it worked. Let's wait. All right, so it will send the email address that I've entered over there. It will send a one-time password. I'm already logged in there, so I can just refresh to find any email that I must have received. Okay, let's wait. Right, a few seconds here. Okay, it's here. I can open the email, and there should be a one-time password. Now, this doesn't last for long, so ensure when you request for it, you try to enter it at the earliest, and then once entered, you have to click on verify. In here, you have to enter your phone number as well. So I'm just gonna enter my phone number and then click on add mobile number. This will send a one-time password on my cell phone as well to the number that I have placed. So I can give it a few seconds for that message to arrive, and I have it. So after receiving the one-time password, I can type it in here and click on create your Amazon account. Right. Now the Amazon account is created. So that process was not for Amazon Associates, but rather for Amazon account. That means since I have already created the Amazon account, I can utilize the information with other Amazon products as well, like Amazon.com or Amazon Prime. Wherever I want, I can use the same credential. But since we have created the Amazon account, and if we already had, we could simply had typed in the email address and password, and we could have proceed further, and we would still come to this page. So this is the account Amazon Associates account creation process. In other words, Amazon affiliate account creation process. Right. So in here, I can write the pay name. So this is very important when the payment. Let's assume we create an account with Amazon, we start promoting them, and you bring sales to them. In return, you'll get commission, so they will pay that commission to you via the account information that you put in. So ensure that the name that you're putting it here should match your banking information as well, because that's the payment method. Right, so I'm going to put in the name. Again, for educational purpose, the information I'm putting here are dummy, but I do not recommend you to do that. Right, I'll put the address as well quickly. Okay, something seems off. Okay, and city, province. Now, when you're filling this form, some fields or some details would differ depending on from where you are trying to create your account. So for example, if you're creating from USA, you'll see some fields different than the other, but mostly the registration processes are more similar. Okay, so in here, you have to enter your phone number again once more. Okay. Right, then display listed who's the main contact for the account. So you can simply just type in display listed above. Otherwise, you can also mention someone else and try to enter the information of the person. But I'll just go with the pay listed above. For US taxes purpose, are you a US person? So you can read through it, and if you think it applies to you, mark yes, otherwise mark no. Right. Then you can click on next in here, next button. Okay, right. Right, so I made a mistake. Instead of this should be here, Maharashtra, and Mumbai should be here. Right, this should work now. Okay, well, it worked. Great. So now on this page, your website and mobile apps. Since you're creating an account with Amazon Associate account, it's of topmost important that you enter your website or blog or any social media web page where you plan to promote the product of Amazon. It's very important. So if you have multiple websites, then you should add multiple. If you have like one website, to social media page, I suggest you add them all. So in our case, I'm gonna go with a dummy website that I have. I can simply put in the address here, the website address. I can click on add, and as you can see, it got added. Now, what if I want to add another website? I can again put it here and I can add it. But since it's already added, so I cannot, I have to make some change in here and then I can add it. Let's say the other website is .com, right? Let's see, it got added. Same way, if you have mobile app URL, you can enter the URL and you can click on add, it will add it here. Once entered, click on next. In here, what's your preferred associate store ID? Now, think of it like this way. It's kind of ID that you are preferring, that I want to have this kind of ID. So be careful what you're deciding for it, because it will stay with you. There will be some changes in there in the ID depending on what the availability, the ID's availability of Amazon. But let's say I'm gonna go with this one. You can decide your own and just have a preferred ID. Now, what are your website or mobile apps about? This is very important. Whatever your website, the URLs that you have added, ensure you add the introduction of those things in here. It's of topmost important. and not just the introduction. It should be in a way that if anyone is reading from the Amazon team, they get kind of impressed, because you will understand it's, but when it comes to Amazon, there is more than how it looks here. So if you put here the detailed stuff about your website, the impressive stuff of how you plan to promote Amazon and all, it will be helpful to you only. Okay, then what type are your website or mobile apps? So here you can define, you can decide and you can select. So let's say I have a content website, but in your case, you might have a blog. So whatever it is, you can just select that. And then next, how did you hear about us? How did you hear about Amazon affiliate program or Amazon Associates program? You can click on select and then choose from here. Right, so I'll just go with online search. Then we have to type in this captcha in here. Okay. Thereafter, I can click on you agree to the terms and conditions of Associates Program Operating Agreement, but I have to ensure I click on this first and I read through it and then I click on it. I should not be doing it directly. Okay, then I can click on finish. Okay, so we're already there. And as you can see, this is our associate ID. Now, this is a derivation of the ID that I had preferred. For some reason, I could not get that ID, so I got this ID as a kind of unique ID to me. So this ID, it's, I suggest keep it with you. Don't share it with anyone. You might, like on this video, you might not be able to see it since I'm hiding it, considering it could be a unique ID to me only. So instead of putting it publicly, I'm hiding it, but you will see your ID in here that you can utilize, or there will be a need ahead when you will be promoting the products of Amazon ahead. You can also read through it to understand it better. Then enter your payment and tax information. So you have, now you have an option to click on, like to, you can click on now and add your payment and tax information. Otherwise, you can click on later and it will take you to your homepage on the Amazon associate program or Amazon affiliate program, we may call them. So this is the platform which will allow you to interact which will allow you to see like how much you have earned, basically everything it's needed when it comes to the affiliate program of Amazon. So you'll find all the important details in here. Now you will also see important notice, and this is of topmost important because it's like, even when you start earning the commission from Amazon, but they will not be able to pay the payment to you unless you set these two things up. So first one is tax information, second is payment information. So once you're in here, I would highly recommend that you can click on tax information. You can click on it and it should take you to this page. Okay, let it load. Right, it's gonna take a few seconds. All right, in here, and in here you can click on incomplete, as you can see. So you can click on incomplete. Right, let's click on India current tax status. All right, in here. So when you click on that hyperlink, it should open up a page. In your case, you will see something different, like if you're from different region altogether. But basically, it should take you to a page like this where you can add your tax information. There are some fields which are optional, as you can see, optional, but then there are some fields which are needed. So ensure whatever is needed to put in here. For example, you can select your tax classification as individual or business, then select the country of your residence and citizenship. It's kind of auto selected. And then since I'm from India, so I have to mention my PAN number here, but it depends on your country. So you have to mention a tax ID in here. And once you're done with the required information, if you want, you can add, if you have, and if you want, you can add optional information as well. And once you're satisfied with the information you kept in here, you can type in your full name in here as a signature, and you can click on submit this button. So this is how you can add your tax information. Now assume that you have added your tax information. Then what? Then comes the payment information. So again, on the home page, you will see another thing, which is payment information. To set it up, you can click on payment information. All right. Now, when you click on it, it will ask you to sign in once again for security purpose. I'm gonna sign in once again. Right. Wait for it. Okay, I have to enter my cell phone number again. I understand, it's been like third or fourth time that I have added my phone number, but it's more like I'm not adding it since it's already there. It's kind of conforming. It's me who's changing the payment information. So after entering your phone number, you can click on please send OTP. It will send one-time password. So once you have it, you can type it in here. Right, I got the password. Right, let's see, it works. Okay, it seems to be working. Right, it worked. Now, this is where I can add my payment information. I can click on pay me by NEFT. Now, for you, depending on the region, you may see a different option here, and even the fields would be different. So as you can see, the moment I tick mark this, give me the option to enter my banking details. I could add it, you could also do it. Then I can also select this again. For US tax purposes, are you a US person? Like the same thing, and then I can submit it. So that's how I can add my payment information. Now, once I'm done with adding tax information and the payment information, the question arises, how can I even get my links? How can I even get my links to give it to the traffic that I have to give it to my users? To do that, you can go to from the same browser where you're logged into Affiliate Associates. You can go to the Amazon website. This time, go to the Amazon website, not the associate one. So in my case, I'm gonna go to amazon.in. Okay, let's wait for it to load. And you will observe there's a new tab like about there's an entire small section in here. As you can see on the very top, it says Amazon Associates, and no matter wherever I am on whatever page I am, I'll see this above. So let's say I want to promote this cell phone. I want to share the link of this cell phone with my consumers, my users. How can I do that? I can come to the page of that product, and then I can click on get link. As you can see, text. I can simply just click on text. First, I can wait for it to load. I guess that's why it's not loading. Okay. Okay, the moment I click on text, I got this URL. It's a very small suite URL I can take and I can start promoting. But if I want the full link, I can click on full link and I will get to see the entire full link. But it's a long one, so it's better to go with the short link only. So you can copy this and you can start promoting. So this is how you can promote the product of Amazon. The other question is, what if you started promoting this product, and what if there's an end user who clicked on the link, came to this product, but end up buying something else? Would you still get the commission? Yes, you would still get the commission, so long as the click came from your tracking links, your affiliate link, the one that I showed you. Then you will get commission, even if they end up buying something else. Doesn't matter. The other thing is, if you realize that this link looks like this, it has Amazon AM7.2. So when you're promoting the product of Amazon, ensure you do not mask this link. What do I mean by masking it? So sometimes we use link shortening tools like Bitly, and sometimes we even use our server links to mask the original link. Now, Amazon do not like it. So do not mask the links of Amazon. Promote them the way you are getting it. It's of topmost important. Right. Now let's go back to the homepage of Amazon Associates. Now, what if you have question? You want to learn about this platform. How do you do that? For that, you can click on help and you can go to product help and resource center. So these are two places where you will learn about the platform in detail, and you would know how to operate the platform. The next question is, What if you want to connect with someone on the Amazon team? You have some question, you want to connect. How do you do that? To get support from them, again, you can come on help and you can click on contact us. When you do that, it will show you a form. You can fill this form and you can just click on the send email button, and it will basically send them an email. It will create a ticket, they will work on it, and you will get the response to the mentioned email address. So that's how you can contact the Amazon support team, Amazon associate support team. The next question is, are there any requirements of the affiliate program of Amazon? Yes, indeed, there is a requirement. And what is that? So since I have created the account, Amazon Associates account, now within 180 days, I have to bring at least 3 sales to Amazon using my tracking link. If I don't do that, then I may end up losing my account with Amazon Associates, and then I have to recreate it. So it's of super important that I bring sales to them. And why? Because Amazon want those kind of people who are kind of dedicated towards the sales performance and all. So minimum, keep a goal of bringing at least 3 sales using your tracking links. So that's the bare minimum requirement. So in this video, I hope you learn how to create Amazon Associate account and how to, get help if needed. And if you have any question related to Amazon account, Amazon Associates account, I meant, or any question related to affiliate marketing, do let me know in the comment and I will try my best to address that now. And in case of any feedback, to provide that as well. So in the meantime, I would advise you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any new content that I create, you get notified of the same. Thank you for watching and have a great day.